Hey everyone, it's Ryan with 9-month college grad, where I teach people just like you how to earn entire bachelor's degrees in as little as 6 months. And in today's video, I'm going to answer the question, how fast can you really earn a college degree? Like what can you expect? What can you plan on? We've all seen the bargain bin, the sales prices at stores where it says $5 and up, right? Well, does that mean $5 or does that mean $300? You've heard me say you can earn a bachelor's degree in as little as 6 months. Well, does that mean 6 months or 6 years? In today's video, I want to answer that question. So if you're wondering how fast is degree hacking, what can you expect? Stay tuned and I'll answer that question. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so let me clarify some things. I always say you can earn a bachelor's degree in as little as 6 to 12 months. Does that mean 6 months? Does that mean 12 months? Does that mean 2 years, 4 years, 6 years? What does it mean? Those words as little as can be confusing for people because guess what? I legally cannot tell you that you're going to earn a bachelor's degree in less than 6 months because that's a huge, huge promise and I can't legally promise you that you can do that. But I want to tell you what most people can expect with degree hacking, okay? And like I said, I can't guarantee you an entire bachelor's degree in less than 12 months because guess what? If you don't do the work, you're not going to do it, and that can't fall on me. Like, this is actually in your hands. If you follow degree hacking, it's in your hands. You have to do the work. I have no control over whether you do the studying or not. Okay, that's 100% up to you. So making like 100% guarantee is very, very difficult with something like this. But what I tell students who I'm helping earn college degrees faster, I have a program where I teach people step by step everything they need to do to earn their college degrees faster. What I tell people to shoot for is to finish a class a week. Try to finish an entire class, college class, every week. So that's the goal for students in my program, to finish a class a week. Now, an entire bachelor's degree is 120 credits, or about 120 credits. Now, it just varies a little bit depending on which degree you're going to get. Some degrees are a few more classes than others, but as a general rule of thumb, 120 credits is a bachelor's degree. Now, what that means is a whole bachelor's degree is about 40 classes. 40 classes, okay? And like I said, I encourage my students to set a goal and try to complete an entire class every week. And I have step-by-step guidance on how to do that. But 1 class per week is the goal. Now, if you break that down, easy math, 40 classes in 40 weeks if you stay true and commit to finishing that entire class a week. Okay, that's about 9 or 10 months. Okay, now going through college, what I tell people is, yes, you're going to have holidays and you're going to have weeks where you don't finish a class because you want to take the week off. No one wants to spend Christmas Eve and Christmas working on school. And if you're going to school for a long period of time, you're going to run into big holidays like that, okay? So what I tell students is to plan on a year and do your best to stick to completing a class a week. And then when you hit weeks where there are holidays or things like that and you don't complete a class that week, no big deal. Or if you're burnt out and you need a week off, no big deal, okay? Generally, if you stick to that class a week goal, you're going to graduate in under a year, even when you're taking holidays and things like that. So I hope this answers the question. If you had my help with degree hacking, I would encourage you to try to finish a class a week, and that puts you on track to pretty easily graduate in under a year. Like I said, I can't guarantee that somebody graduates in under a year, because guess what? I've got no control over whether you do the work or not. I've got no control over, let's say, you have a learning disability or something like that. I've actually seen people with learning disabilities do really well with degree hacking, but my point is I have no control over certain aspects of you getting your college degree. It's all in your hands. But if you work hard, the majority of my students don't have a problem finishing a class a week. So the goal would be to finish an entire bachelor's degree in less than a year, okay? Shooting for 10 month mark is what I encourage people to do. I know it sounds hard, but guess what? It's not as hard as you would think. Yes, you have to put in the effort. Yes, you have to put in the work. Yes, you have to make sacrifices, but it's so much easier than spending 4 to 6 years sitting in a classroom. So if you're interested, if this intrigues you or excites you for accelerating a college degree, you can learn all about degree hacking at diplomasecrets.com. There's a free video training that walks you through the process of degree hacking. If you've already seen that video, or if you want to get in touch with me, after that video, I show you exactly how you can book a call with me. So if you're interested in that program where I teach you literally step by step exactly how to earn your degree this fast, you can book a call with me, ask me whatever questions you want, and you can always reach out, send me an email. I'm really easy to find online. So if you have questions, hunt me down, ask me a question, or go to diplomasecrets.com and watch my free step-by-step training that walks you through degree hacking, the entire process of degree hacking. Hope this video has helped. Hope you have a better idea of how much time you can expect to put into degree hacking. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, reach out and I will talk to you in the next video.